Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Kamari Kennedy became the first Jamaican field event athlete in the 54-year history of the Caribbean Athletics Championships to lift the coveted Austin Seeley Award as Jamaica ended the three-day meet at the top of the standing for the 39th straight edition. Kennedy comped double gold in Trinidad as he claimed the boys' under-17 shot put and discus throw events with record-breaking performances. Kennedy threw a championship record 60.87 meters on Monday to win the discus throw, shattering the previous mark of 53.32 meters set by Kobe Lawrence 6 years ago. In fact, his 5 legal throws all went beyond the previous record. Kennedy beat out fellow Jamaican Shanoya Douglas, who ended the championship with 4 gold medals as she anchored Jamaica's under-20 girls to victory in the 4x400 meter relay on Monday night, the final event on the girls' side. It was the only 4x400 meter relay win for Jamaica on the day. The outstanding Bahamian under-17 athlete Egan Neely also ended with 4 gold medals, including anchoring the 4x400 meter relay team to a record. The Jamaican contingent is expected to arrive in the island this afternoon after winning 78 medals. Arnett Gardens piled more misery on relegated Very United in the Jamaica Premier League after a 3-1 win in the featured game at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex on Monday night. Rashiki Kelso broke the deadlock for Arnett Gardens in the 14th minute. Veer equalized in the 49th minute before Arnett took full control of the game. Jaime Thomas gave the Junglists the lead in the 52nd minute before Rashane Thompson put the icing on the cake in the 75th with a well-taken team goal. Arnett are now 2 points behind second place Montego Bay United, who are on 72 points. Meanwhile, champions Cavalier booked their place in the playoff after they defeated Chapperton Maroons 2-0. This in the curtain raiser. Cavalier moved to 63 points but remain in 5th place. Chapperton, in the meantime, are on 33 points in 12th, the same as Humberline, who are in the relegation zone. St. George's Slayers are the mid-season champions of the National Basketball League as they turned back the challenge of Upper Room Eagles 60-44 at the National Stadium courts recently. The two teams could not be separated after the first quarter as it ended 14-all. However, the contest was maybe won in the second quarter as the Slayers poured in 24 points compared to 11 from the Eagles to hold a 38-25 lead. The eventual winners also took the third quarter 14-9, and despite a 10-8 scoreline for the Eagles in the fourth stanza, it was too little too late. Richmore Morris was named MVP of the final after his game-high 16 points. Lucian Wilson also scored 14 points for the Slayers, while Anthony White was the top scorer for the Eagles with 9 points. Finally, Ayana Dehaney and Ajay Bailey were the top performers at the recent National Powerlifting Association of Jamaica first full national qualifiers in Kingston. The event served not only as a season opener but also as a first step for athletes aiming to qualify for the national championship in January 2026. Competing in the 84 kg category, Dehaney ended the event with 87.37 GL points after overcoming a combined weight of 452.3 kgs across the 3 categories. On the men's side, Bailey's 287.5 kg deadlift tipped the scale in his favor as he ended with 90.61 GL points in the 105 kg category. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renardo Brown.
Thank you, Renardo. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.